Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex scalping courses for beginners. Now, in terms of a lot of new traders, retail traders coming in the markets, they want to scalp on the lower time frames. And there's a lot of courses out there that say that it's a great way to make money and trade with low risk and make yourself a regular income longer term. They're all lying because scalping does not work for retail traders. And I'll give you the facts in this video. If you want to make money at Forex trading, you have to trade higher time frames. Now, in terms of scalping the markets, why doesn't it work? Let's go and take a look at the facts. All right, let's have a look at the look at the facts in relation to Forex scalping. Now, in terms of courses, the first fact that should be a red flag to any trader is the courses never give a real-time track record of profits. You just don't get one. They just do illustrations in hindsight or hypothetical track records. No real money. That's just a huge red flag. It obviously shows they don't make money. Okay, but they know that the retail trader is going to fall for a scalping course, or a lot of retail traders, and think that they do work. So why do traders believe that scalping lower time frames works? Well, if you look at charts, you could look at the monthly chart, for example, weekly, a daily. They all look kind of the same with patterns going backwards, then just drop down to lower time frames, 30-minute, 15-minute, minute, second chart. They're all going to look similar. You can see patterns. Now, in terms of when you drop down to those real low time frames, a clustering illusion comes in to play, where you see the order in hindsight. Okay, it wasn't tradable at the time. It's just mostly noise when you get down below an hour chart. Okay, but traders, they look at those patterns, they think they can trade them. They can't. Okay, they also believe, and this is a common misconception, that effort equals regular profits in the Forex markets. You see a lot of scalping courses say you can sit down each day, trade for a number of hours, and at the end of the day, you've made a certain amount of money. You can make it regularly. A lot of them say on a daily basis, others say on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. So by making regular effort and a lot of effort, you can make regular profits. No, you can't. It's one of the biggest misconceptions of Forex trading, that effort equals profits. It doesn't. Okay, most traders I know who make money probably spend less than an hour a day on their trading. They're not going to sit in front of a screen. All you're doing is trading the noise, and the problem you're going to have, and why scalping doesn't work, is profits can never cover losses longer term. Okay, what you tend to find with scalpers or day traders, and I've seen this, they can get a lot of trades right. I've seen some scalpers and day traders get like 70% of their trades right, and they still lose money. Why? Because they're just pulling in very small profits, and when they get their losing trades, the losing trades are big, the winners are small. That just leads to an erosion of equity and a wipeout. And I said it earlier on, noise levels are high in smaller time frames. A lot of what you see on the chart in terms of movement is just the normal ebb and flow of the markets, but there are also on the lower time frames professional day traders with HFTs who hunt stops. Now, what's a HFT? A HFT is a high frequency trading system, and it's a lightning fast computer. In the time that you can blink your eye, it can probably execute 100 orders if it wants to. And these HFTs are very active in the markets, and they'll push the price around to take retail traders stops. And they'll do it at news events in particular, like say you've got non-farm payroll, big event for a lot of Forex traders. Retail trader wants to trade the number, let's say it comes in better than expected, so they go and buy the dollar. The HFTs have already moved the price up, and then what they'll tend to do is they'll slap it back down again to take the retail trader's stop. you've got no chance against HFTs, and they are a major part of the market, and that the way they make money is out of retail traders. Okay, they just take the stops. In terms of Forex scalping and day trading, it's one of the biggest myths in Forex trading that it actually works. If you can find a course or a strategy seller who can actually give a real-time audited track record, I would love to see it, because I've never seen one in 30 years. What you need to do if you want to make money at Forex trading is work off the daily levels. They tend to be the ones the big institutions focus on. You can drop down to maybe a 4-hour chart to time your entry or whatever. I've seen plenty of traders do that, use the 4-hour chart. I personally don't. I just use daily levels, but know people who could be successful using the 4-hour and daily chart. That's the minimum time period that you should consider. If you're coming in the markets, forget about scalping and day trading. Obviously, move to the higher time frames. The facts just show that retail traders don't make money day trading. A lot of people say to me, well, brokers recommend it. Of course they do, because they make money out of traders trading. They also make money out of traders losing their accounts, which you will be guaranteed to do over time if you try any scalping strategy at all. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.